part 2 of cleaning out my fort. If you haven't seen part 1, then go watch that because you won't know what's going on. So, yeah. Alright guys, so it's been about 2 weeks and we're back at the fort here. And it's still flooded, obviously. But it's looking like a mess out here, so we gotta go back in the fort and get it all vacuumed out. Alright guys, so this is the trench, as you can see. Obviously it doesn't look much like a trench anymore, and that's because I put dirt back in here. And also here's what it's looking like in there. That's what it's looking like in there, so hopefully we'll be fine. But yeah, as you can see, the trench is redug. And so now we are gonna start vacuuming all this water out. And so yeah, let's go. So the trench is being flooded. As you can see, the trench is being flooded, so I gotta try to dig it out more. As you can see, it's looking a lot better. So we should be close to done, but still got a ways, but we're making progress, so that's good. But basically, what I'm gonna do is, so I'm just gonna tell you how I did this. So if you guys want to try to do this, what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna need to take out the filter, because there is a filter in here. Take out the filter, and then that's about it. And then you can use it as to suck up water. The thing that really helps is the nozzle, as you can see right there, for vacuuming really helps. I didn't use that last time, but it helps a lot. So I want to try that. It helps a lot. So just I don't know, use one of those if you have it. Alright guys, so this is what we're looking like here. Obviously it's still pretty wet, and muddy. The reason it's muddy, as you can see, I have plywood all over out there. And I have to lay the plywood down, so it's not muddy. As you can see, I don't think I can get it perfect. I literally don't think it's possible anymore. But we'll try to put the plywood down and see what happens. But yeah, this is the inside of the fort. But I don't know. I don't really know what to do, because obviously I can't get all this water. It would be physically impossible to get all this water out. So we'll just lay the plywood down, see what happens, and yeah. Pretty sloppy. Man, I don't even know. I mean, this is just a disaster. Alright, you guys, so as you can see, it's pretty much, this is the best I could do. As you can see, it's really squashy in here. Like, that's not good. I don't want that. And yeah, there's still a lot of water in here, so we'll have to get that water out. But really, at this point, I honestly don't really know what to do. But I'll get some of this water out still. Maybe clean off the mud a little bit somehow, but that's about the best I can do, really. But yeah. Alright guys, so now we are going to fill the trench with dirt again, because I don't want this water just sitting here. It's a bad idea. So at least if I do put dirt in there, the water will be, or the dirt will absorb the water a little bit. But I did get the fort done. It's pretty much dry in there. Obviously it's damp in there, but it's not terrible. And also I did get some of that dirt out, but I did the best I could. So now I'm gonna fill this trench because I gotta go back inside and clean all this up. So yeah. Alright guys, so it doesn't even look like there's a trench there. Obviously over here I didn't finish it, but that's okay. I just needed to get this stuff by the shelter all cleared out. But yeah, so hopefully we should be fine. But I think that's gonna be where I end off the video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you.